All right, here we are. Welcome back to Pinball Help. And this, I guess, will be the final video on working on these XY monitors. Now I got the Tempest game working again, which, by the way, this extension cable comes in really handy for working on these monitors where you could do the focus adjustments and the brightness while you're actually working at the monitor without having to like move around from the front to the back. So what I did was I replaced the flyback in this, which blew up, with the one that I took out of the Star Wars that I should never have taken out in the first place. So now we have two working XY monitors. I think the Star Wars one's a little bit nicer than this one, but this is pretty darn good, and it should work. Maybe could be. I mean, I recapped it in 2013, and it hasn't had a whole lot of play, but I'll keep an eye on this thing. It is working well, and the old flyback is in it. So there you go. We got two working Wells Gardner 6100 monitors. This one's a little bit older than the Star Wars one, so we're making progress. As always, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and until next time.